In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can take your old publisher files and bring them into another program so that they are editable again. If you're not aware, Microsoft Publisher is going to be retired in October of 2026, and you will not be able to open any publisher files that you may have. So you're going to need to convert them. If you would like to be able to edit them, this is the method that I suggest you do. So what we're going to do is with this document open, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to choose the location. And what I'm going to do is instead of saving it as a publisher file, I'm going to switch it over to a PNG file. So a PNG is an image file, and this is what's going to allow us to edit this. I've already saved this, so we're going to pop over to Canva now. I'm going to show you how you can make this editable in another program. Okay, so now you can see we have moved over to Canva. If you have never used Canva before, there is a free version. I am in the pro version right now, but if you have the free version, you should be able to do the same thing that I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to do now is I need to get that image that I made and put it into Canva. So first thing I want to do is I want to create a blank document with the same dimensions as my original. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and click on Create, and I'm going to select custom size, and I want this to be an 8.5 by 11 inches. So if you do not see 8.5 by 11 here, you can put it in here. Just make sure you change the units. I've done this already, so I'm just going to select the recent dimensions that I've already set up, and now I have the 8.5 by 11 document. Second thing I need to do now is upload that image that I have just saved from Publisher. So I'm going to come over here to Uploads, and I'm going to click Upload Files, and I'm going to locate that document that I just saved, which is here, and I'm going to open it. So this is now going to put it in my Uploads area, and I want to now add this image to my document. So I can stretch this out a little bit. So now that I have this in here, you can see this is a flat image now. Unlike in Publisher, I can't make any changes to this yet. And this is where Magic Layers comes into effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image so that it's highlighted, and then I'm going to click on this edit menu at the top, and I'm going to select Magic Layers. What Magic Layers is going to do is it's going to scan this document and identify the individual components of this document, meaning it's going to identify the pictures, it's going to identify text boxes, it's going to identify any backgrounds, and once it figures all of that out, I will actually be able to make changes to this again, whereas I wouldn't be able to if I had this document and Publisher no longer existed. So let me zoom in a little bit so you can see here there are boxes around all the different components that Magic Layers found. So now that they are all found in different components here, I am now able to edit this document again. I can come up here and I can save it, and now you have the document from Publisher, and you can do whatever you need to do with it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know.